Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled white radish. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of white radishes, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 cup of water. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and a few cloves of garlic. For an extra kick, consider adding a small piece of ginger or a pinch of red pepper flakes. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic homemade pickle. Now, let's get those radishes ready for pickling. Begin by thoroughly washing and scrubbing your 1 kilogram of white radishes to ensure they are perfectly clean. Next, trim both ends and, if you prefer a smoother texture, peel the skin. Slice each radish into uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. Finally, place all the sliced radishes into a large bowl and sprinkle them with 2 tablespoons of salt. This step helps draw out excess moisture. With your radishes prepped, it's time to create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to this mixture. It's crucial for both taste and preservation. Bring the brine to a gentle boil, stirring continuously until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and allow the hot brine to cool completely before proceeding to the next step. Almost there. Now, carefully pack your salted and rinsed radish slices tightly into clean, sterilized jars. Once the radishes are in place, pour the completely cooled brine over them, making sure every piece is fully submerged. Seal the jars tightly with their lids. For the best flavor, refrigerate your pickled radishes for at least 24 hours before you enjoy them. These delightful pickles can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.